感谢有心，咱接落来看国际消息。美国、乌克兰甲罗西亚达成乌海停火协议，要恢复乌海运行安全。预计是2月公布协议的内容。不过，在欧洲对罗西亚总统普京愿意落软这个态度是真怀疑。
乌海要停火，敢袂当成？乌海航运的自由和安全关度拢真受注意。美国、乌克兰和罗西亚的官员24日所在阿拉伯首都里雅得完成正长的会谈。23美国先和乌克兰会谈，24和罗西亚针对基辅莫斯科海上停火开始。而且总统川普阁补充进前讲到的稀土碳三协议。
In an interview with Time magazine published this morning, President Zelensky said he believes that some members of your team have been influenced by Russian information. Those were his words. What do you have to say to that?
Well, probably they have been influenced to get this thing settled because Ukraine wants to see it settled. I think they have to have it settled, and Russia wants to see it settled. We've given so much money, and we're getting that done. In fact, Scott is telling me that the agreement on rare earths is just about completed.
Are you signing the rare earths deal today? Is that what you mean?
No, we'll be signing it soon.
各国白宫一个消息人士指出，讲伫个里雅得的会谈是有进展的，暗算真紧就会有正面的宣布。俄罗斯这方面代表团伫个会谈结束了后，访问到伊的心情，因的回应是真好。一个消息来源甲路透社讲，联合声明已经分送莫斯科和华府，双方暗算2月会公布。进前前克里姆林宫发言人佩斯科夫讲，会议主要是和航运安全有关系，会讨论定启2022年的乌海国务协定。进前联合国支持的版本是无法度满足莫斯科的部分要求，但是在第一会谈搁伫进行的时阵，罗西亚的飞弹是攻击乌克兰的一间学校和一间病院，几十个人受伤。乌俄进前是同意暂停攻击能源基础设施，但是目前战火并无停。乌克兰外长斯皮哈讲，莫斯科讲要和平率国去碰人口真侪的所在。乌克兰总统泽伦斯基对里雅得的会谈表示讲，当地单报告出来，希望会当对和平的方向去。另外，欧洲大国对普丁敢有做好要真正让步的准备是真怀疑。普丁表示讲，已经准备好要讨论和平，但是乌克兰必须要正式放弃加入北约，而且要对4个罗西亚的占领区全面撤军。公司新闻黄文良编译。